Hey guys, so I'm about to go to the shelter to quickly walk the dogs, and I need to take 2 puppies to the vet. One of them is really sick, like, you know, the ones I've took before. Not my ones, the little fur balls. From the litter of like 8 pups, apparently 1 has died. 2 have been adopted. I haven't been to the shelter since Wednesday, and I didn't walk any dogs then because Wednesday I went to pick up Gandalf and I took my pups to the vet. My pups are doing really well. They're super happy, they're very good girls. I train them every day, several times a day in fact. They're really, I wouldn't say they're well behaved, they're not well behaved yet, but they're becoming more behaved. They're living their best life, honestly. As for expenses, so I'll insert a screenshot of our expenses that we've had so far, most of the receipts. And I was going to do this in a different video, but I think I accidentally deleted the footage because I know I said this before and I never did it. But basically, yeah, last week I only went once because the car broke down and I've not been able to go since then. But this week, today, I can go. But like I said, I do have puppies at home now, so I don't want to leave them alone a whole afternoon either. So I am going to go quickly, take them for a quick walk, take the puppies to the vet and then come back because I want to make sure that my puppies are okay, and that's about it. So I'll try and see if I can make contact with Pepper. I can try and see if I can make contact with Spike. Otherwise, all the other dogs should be fine for a quick walk. But we'll see what the vet says. Apparently, one of the puppies was pooping blood. So, but it'd be good to go and see them regardless, because, like I said, I haven't seen them for a week almost properly. So, but this is it, right? Unfortunately, I can only do so many things. I only have so much time available to me, and they're closed on the weekends. Or well, they shouldn't be, but they never are there. Anyway, I'm gonna go, so. Okay. Hey, my boy. Oh my God, look how happy you are to see me. Oh my gosh, boy. Hey, my gosh. Oh my gosh, my boy. Look how happy you are. Who are you? Hello. You are new. Hey, guys. Hey, hey Pepper. Oh, Gandhi. Hey girls. Hey guys. Oh my God, Lucy Lou. Hey my love Lucy Lou. Hey Lucy Lou. Hey Spike. Hey, good boy. Oh my gosh. Maxie Max. Hey boy. Come here, Max. Max. Max, come here, boy. Come, boy. Maxie. Maxie. Hello. This is a new boy too. Hey. Hey, puppy. Hey, guys. Okay. Yeah. Oh my gosh, so many puppies for me to walk. So many puppies for me to walk. Girls. Boy, get them. Oh, wait. Boy. Hey, boy. Come here, my friend. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is somebody happy to see me? Your fur is better. You are. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come here, my lovely boy. Oh my gosh, I think somebody's getting better. Gandalf. Boy, Dandy. Gandalf. Hey boy. Here, come here. Gandalf, come here. Come on, are we gonna go for a walk? Oh my gosh. Somebody is happy. Oh my gosh. Come in here. Come in here, Stinky. Boy. I have 2 lunatics here. I have 2 lunatics here. Oi. Get back. Buttercup, sit. Sit, Buttercup. Sit. Buttercup. Sit. Sit, Buttercup. Ow. Ow. Sit, Buttercup. Sit. Sit. Oh, shit. Thanks, boy. Okay. Sit, Buttercup. Nice. Get back. Guys, get back. Guys, stop it. Please. Good girl. I know Miss Lucy wants to go for a walk. Miss Lucy always wants to go for a walk. But Spike, I don't know about Spike. Spike doesn't always want to go out. Do you now, boy? You don't always want to go out, do you? No. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. I'll take you out next, okay? Be patient. Hey, guys. Excuse me, but how many toys do you have? How many toys do you have? Spike, come here, boy. Miss Lucy. Careful, girl. Spike, come here, boy. Miss Lucy. Sit. Nope. Sit. Sit, Lucy. Lucy. Sit. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Yes, you're a good girl. Come on. Sit. 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 Sit, Lucy. Sit. 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 Lucy. Sit. Sit. Miss. Good girl. Good girl. That's the one. Yeah, that's the one. Oh my gosh, such a good girl. Okay. Are you gonna sit, Lucy? Sit. Sit, Lucy. Lucy. Sit. That's it. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh my gosh, such a good girl. Spiky. Oh. Lucy. Sit, Lucy. Sit. Lucy. Sit, girl. Sit. Sit. Girl, sit. 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 Nay. Sit. That's it. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Come on, let's go for a walkie. Let's go for a walkie. Wait a second. Yes, yes. Alright, next up we have this troublemaker who, to be honest guys, I'm not going to film it because he's very difficult and very strong. I'll have to hide my camera in fact because he'll just terrorize it otherwise. But I'll walk him. There's 2 new dogs who I won't walk because I don't know them yet, so I'll spend a couple of minutes in the cage. But I'll walk him and I'll walk Nori, spend some time with the 2 dogs, and then I'll see what the puppies are doing, the big litter, and then I'll also see what the little ones are doing here, of which I need to take to the vet. But oh my god, my boy. Oh my god, my boy. Hey, he's so happy. He's definitely, the medicine's working. So he had anemia, a T4 problem. I took him last week and he was very moody with me when we went to the vet, but we had to. But it looks like he's forgiven me now, which is nice. But hey boy, I need to take him again on Wednesday to see if it's better. And he's gonna be moody again with me, but you know, we have to do these things. But he's actually a lot better. He's got a lot more energy. Hey boy. He's got a lot more energy, and he's his fur is changing as well, which is very good. Hey boy. He's a good boy. Definitely one of my favorites. I know I shouldn't have favorites, but Gandalf is definitely one of my favorites. So this is the little stinker I'm taking. Hey puppy. This is the little one I'm taking to the vet. She is very skinny. I don't think she's eating a lot. She's very skinny compared to her sister. They are from the same litter. But let's go and see what the doctor says. Okay, so I just come back from the vet. And it seems like the little one is not eating at all. They tried to give him pet food there. She wasn't eating at all. So I'm just wiping myself with antibacterial wipes because those dogs are quite gross. And basically we don't know. So I did buy some puppy serums because they needed it for the puppies because apparently they don't have enough serums, and I don't understand why they don't tell me because I would have just bought some. So Nala, they gave her anti for the skin. She probably has like a skin disease, so he gave her drops. He gave her some deworming tablets, and she's also given other tablets that she's taken 2 times a day, and that should hopefully help with the what's it called, with the skin as well. So I need to take her back next week to see how she's doing. That's basically it. So another busy day, despite I only was going to go quick, but I have actually been gone for basically 3 hours. So I do need to go because my own dogs need my attention now.